Alright y'all, this is a training video on how to change this edger blade on the edger. You have your tools. This is like a stop, and this is a 17 millimeter wrench. First thing you want to do is you want to assess whether or not you need to change the blade. Now here's a new one. Clearly you see at least an inch that this one has been eaten away, and this one is a bad one, so this will be on the wall that you can reference. As you can see, this blade still has, maybe half inch, so this one can still be used, but for the purposes of this video we're going to go ahead and replace it with this blade. So the first thing you want to do, sometimes I've removed the cotter pin here. I don't really need it. It is an extra step. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do in the field. You should actually never do this out in the field unless this blade breaks. But you'll see right, let's see if I can get some light. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little divot here. Let's see if I can get some light so you can see it. Yeah, right there. And you just move it until you find a hole. Which is right there. This kind of slid into there, and it stops it. So, which you can see. Now you do clockwise to loosen the nut. And you just take the blade off, and sometimes there's debris on here. Place the new blade on and just assemble it the way you took it off. Find that hole again right there, and then to tighten it, it's counterclockwise. You don't have to make it super tight, just snug, where the bolt's not going to come off with all the vibration. And then with this adjustment, you want to adjust it where the wheel is at the height, the highest point, because you have a new blade. You don't want it on the lowest point, or else it's going to just dig. I mean, you're going to be digging out a lot. So we're going to make the wheel closest to the blade and tighten that, and then now you're all set with a new blade, and it's at the adjusted height. As this blade wears down, you can adjust this where the edger sits deeper, and you can just use more of the blade before you have to replace it.